Hello, Daddy John. This is your son in US. Please, I have a question. Daddy, are you a human being? Are you a spirit? The level of the glory of God in your life is shocking me. So I want to ask if you're a human being. And as you're coming to US, I cannot wait for you to come by God's grace. We're ready. God bless you. And I love you, Daddy.
Catch the Bondservant of Christ John live in Jacksonville, Florida. Venue, the Prime F. Osborn III Convention Center, located at 1000 Water Street, Jacksonville, Florida, 32204. Halls A and B. Dates: from the 6th of June through the 8th of June, 2023. Time, 6 p.m. SpiritRevelationConference.com.
Email USA@SpiritRevelationEcclesia.com. SMS or WhatsApp +27 60 464 6961.
Note: entrance to this conference is free.